About a year ago, I made a video about a charge point that was supposed to be in Killarney National Park, which I couldn't find. Well, we visited the park again last weekend, and I'm happy to report that at least one charge point is being installed. If you have been to Killarney National Park in the last few months, you couldn't have failed to notice extensive works in the car park areas. The work is still ongoing in some areas, but take a look at this. 2 charging spots for electric vehicles and wiring for 1 charge point, which will hopefully be a standard 22 kilowatt charge point. To get to them, you drive straight in and turn right by the public toilets. They are the last 2 spaces on the left just before the T-junction to what used to be the grassy car park and the exit. The disabled parking area has also been extended, and there are now 10 disabled parking spaces. Just as we were leaving the park, I noticed another 4 or so spaces painted green near the exit by the Macro Traditional Farms, but there were cars parked in them and the weather was awful, so I didn't take a closer look at them, but I will next time I visit. So please subscribe for future updates and other videos, and thanks for watching.